managing a team of software engineers or IT specialists, the biggest question isn't just what they are building, but how much space you give them to build it. Today, I'm looking at scenario B, micro versus macro management. The debate is whether IT teams perform better under class, utility supervisor, or when giving high levels of autonomy. The position is high autonomy and macro management are essential for high-performing IT teams, while tracking is necessary for project health. Micromanagement is a productivity killer in technical environments. First theory is Herbert's two-factor theory. First is the theory of to understand why we look at Friedrich Herbert's two-factor theory is he distinguished between hygiene factors and motivators. Hygiene factors like supervision and company policy don't necessarily make people work harder, but if they are handling poorly, like truth over supervisor, the cause must have dissatisfaction. In IT, autonomy is a motivator. It relates to the work itself. When we move away from micromanagement, we stop treating supervisor as a leash and start treating the work as an opportunity. For growth, you can't monitor someone into being creative. You have to motivate them through the responsibility of tasks. Theory number 2, Daniel Pink's drive. The theory secondly, we apply Daniel Pink's drive theory, which is the identified three pillars of motivation, autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Its work is cognitive and non-routine. It's because it's about problem solving. Pink research shows that for if-then simple tasks, close monitoring works. The why it work is cognitive and non-routine. It's about problem solving. Pink research shows that for if-then simple tasks, close monitoring works. But for complex tasks like debugging a critical service or architecting an app, micromanagement actually narrows the focus and harms performance. Example, imagine a developer in a flow state. If a manager interrupts them every hour for a status update or requires to a lag, for every 15 minutes of work, that flow is broken. By providing autonomy, we allow the developer to choose the best tool and the best path to the solution, which leads to the mastery and better result.